How to create a food delivery app. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to create a food delivery app that lets your customers order food from your menu, choose a delivery time and location, and pay online. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional food delivery app that you can use for your own business or share with others. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. And Jotform is a powerful online tool that lets you create forms, surveys, quizzes, and more with ease without any coding. You can also use Jotform to create an app that allows you to sell your products or services online. You can also choose from over 30 supported payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, Square, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. Creating a food delivery app using Jotform is a straightforward process. To start, the first step is to create an account. As I said, you'll find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. There you will find various options for signing up. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Select the option that works best for you and follow the steps to create a new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. To begin, locate the My Forms option in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various choices. Select My Apps from the available options. This action will direct you to the My Apps page where any previously created apps will be displayed. If you haven't created any apps yet, this page will appear empty. To create a food delivery app, click on the Create App button located on the top left side of the page. This will redirect you to a new page offering 4 different options for app creation. These options include starting from scratch, using a template, cloning an existing app, or building a store. Since our goal is to utilize a pre-built template for our food delivery app, we will select the Use Template option. Upon clicking, you will be directed to the Templates library. Here, a wide variety of templates are available, organized into categories displayed in the left menu. You can browse through the categories and choose the one that best suits your needs for the food delivery app. Another option for finding a suitable template is to use the search bar. Since we are specifically creating a food delivery app, we will search for a template related to that. To do this, simply enter the keyword food delivery in the search bar. After a moment, the search results will appear, displaying 2 different templates associated with the keyword. You have the freedom to choose any of these templates based on your preferences. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select the food delivery app template. By clicking on the Preview button below the selected template, an on-screen window will appear, allowing you to preview the app design. Within this window, click on the Use Template option to proceed. Please note that it takes some time for the template to load. Once the loading process is complete, you will be directed to the interface of the chosen template. Upon opening the template, you will notice various sections such as Build, Settings, and Publish. These sections serve different purposes and provide options for customizing and configuring your food delivery app to suit your requirements. In the Build section, you can customize the design and layout of the chosen food delivery app template. The interface of this template is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. As you scroll down, you will come across different pages that make up the app. The first page is the home page, where you can find options such as the Order button, restaurant timings, and a button for reviewing the restaurant. Continuing to scroll down, you will reach the menu page. Here, you can explore the various food items offered by your restaurant. Each food item is displayed with details such as its name, price, and an Add to Cart button for easy ordering. Further down, you will encounter the Special Offers page, showcasing any ongoing promotions or discounts. This page includes a Home button to navigate back to the home page, and a Menu button to return to the menu page. If you wish to add additional pages to your app, simply navigate to the bottom of the template's interface and locate the Add Page button. Clicking on this button will create a new page at the end of the app where you can add different elements and further customize the app's functionality. Moreover, the template allows you to add new elements to enhance the app's features. To do so, access the left side of the template interface and click on the Add Element option. This action will reveal a left sidebar containing a variety of elements to choose from. You can add basic elements such as forms, headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. Additionally, widgets like data grids, PDF embedders, fit text, and others can be incorporated to enhance the app's functionality and user experience. Additionally, you have the option to manage the navigation settings of your food delivery app by clicking on the Navigation Settings option located at the bottom right side of the template interface. A right sidebar will open. Within this sidebar, you can control various properties of the navigation menu, such as toggling it on or off, showing icons, changing menu names, and more. Furthermore, you can easily manage the design aspects of your food delivery app. To do so, navigate to the right side of the template interface and click on the App Designer option. This action will open a right sidebar where you can customize elements such as colors, app background, font family, and more. If you access the App Layout section within the sidebar, you can even alter the overall layout of the app to suit your preferences. Once you have tailored the food delivery template to your liking, the next step is to add a payment method. To accomplish this, click on the Store Properties option, which will open the right sidebar. Within this sidebar, locate and click on the Add Payment Integration button. A new on-screen window will appear, presenting different available payment methods that you can add to your food delivery app. Choose the desired payment method, such as Square, for example, and click Continue. In the following window, click on the Connect button and provide the necessary authorization details. After successfully adding the payment method, navigate to the right side of the template interface and select the Preview App option. By doing so, you can preview your app in various formats, including phone, tablet, and desktop, to ensure it appears as desired before finalizing it. After customizing the design and layout of your food delivery app in the Build section, the next step is to click on the Settings section. This will allow you to further customize the app settings according to your preferences. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to the Settings page where you can make adjustments such as customizing the app settings, app name and icon, and splash screen. Take your time to fine-tune these settings to align with your desired app experience. Once you have successfully managed the settings to your satisfaction, proceed to the final step by clicking on the Publish section. In the Publish section, you have various options to share and distribute your app. To share your app with others, simply click on the Quick Share section. Here you can easily copy the shareable link and send it to anyone you wish to share your app with. Additionally, you have the option to invite people via email, allowing them to access and view your app directly. Moreover, you can download a QR code for your app by clicking on the Download QR Code button. This QR code can be used to provide a quick and convenient way for users to access your app. Simply download the QR code and distribute it as needed. If you want to see how your app looks from a user's perspective, you can open it in a new tab. By clicking on the Open in New Tab button, your app will be launched in a separate tab, giving you the opportunity to navigate and explore its features just as a user would. Additionally, in the Embed section, you can find an embed code that allows you to integrate your app into any WordPress website. Simply copy the embed code and paste it into the desired location on your WordPress site to embed your app seamlessly. By utilizing these publishing options, you can easily share your app, provide easy access through QR codes, preview it in a new tab, and even embed it within your website to reach a wider audience and enhance user experience. Suppose you're curious to see how your app appears to users, so you decide to click on the Open in New Tab button. By doing so, you'll be instantly redirected to a new tab where you can get a first-hand view of the food delivery app you have just created. This functionality allows you to experience the app from the user's perspective, enabling you to evaluate its design, usability, and overall user experience. Once the app is opened in a new tab, you'll have the opportunity to explore its features and navigate through its different sections just as a user would. This allows you to assess whether the app meets your expectations and delivers a smooth and intuitive experience to its intended audience. By viewing the app from a user's perspective, you can gain valuable insights into how it functions and identify any areas that may require improvement or optimization. This user-centric approach empowers you to make informed decisions and refine the app's design and functionality to ensure maximum user satisfaction. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to create a food delivery app in Jotform. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.